Hello, dear traders. My name is Nick and I'm a financial analyst in Olymp. Welcome to our next lesson, to our next video, which will be dedicated to the most common mistake traders make while trading and while analyzing the situation by the usage of the candlestick patterns. By the way, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss anything. Don't forget that we have social networks for you, for your questions, for everything you want to ask and to comment. So let's start. The most common mistakes which traders make while analyzing the market with the candlestick patterns is the mistake. It is called hasty. So let's assume that we are analyzing the candlestick pattern, which is called bullish engulfing pattern. So let me open the platform so that I will show it to you on the platform. And you may see, my friends, this is the cross course, Australian dollar versus Canadian dollar. And here you see that after the bearish trend, so right now we see that a bullish engulfing pattern started forming. Yes. So what is the mistake? A professional trader will always wait till this pattern will be completed till the end. So he or she will open the trades only when he or she sees that this is definitely a bullish engulfing pattern. By the way, what is bullish engulfing pattern? So right now you see that there is a red candlestick with a red body and a green candlestick, which actually has a chance to engulf the previous red one with its body. So in this case, we may say that actually the trend might reverse and the trend might rise again. So again, a professional trader will always wait till the end of this pattern. He or she will always wait till he or she sees that the pattern is completed. In this case, even if the mistake is made, and even if a trader loses his money in such trades, this won't be a mistake of a pattern, by the way, yes? A mistake of a trader, sorry, by the way. This will be a mistake of a pattern itself. So in this case, a professional trader will try to find out how he or she may improve such signals, or maybe even think that such patterns will not work for this type of an asset or for this type of a time frame, for example. So this won't be a mistake of a trader. A non-professional trader will open the trades instantly. So just without waiting till this pattern will be completed. And this is a psychological mistake, by the way. It's when a trader does not want to wait till the end of the pattern. Actually, such happens when a trader wants to, for example, after a sequence of losses, he or she wants to return money back again, yeah, so just to beat the market, or maybe in some way he or she thinks that, okay, so right now I do understand how the market works, and right now so I can do whatever I want. But it doesn't work this way, my friends. Market gives us only a hint of what's going on. It gives us only hints what is going to be. Yes. So actually, in this case, even if you see that there is a pattern, and even if you see that there is for example, a bullish engulfing pattern and market is ready to rise, it does not really mean that the market will go up. This is only a hint for us. Yes. And in this case, if you open a trade without waiting till the pattern is completed, in this case, actually, you are trading just randomly. Yes, this is not the trading strategy at all. So that's how it is. By the way, what I want to add that candlestick patterns may be used on any time frames you want. So you may trade them on hour time frames, on 4-hour time frames, on daily time frames, and even on minutes time frames. But the general rule is always the same. Wait till the end of the pattern and take your decision only when you see that the pattern is over and it's time to open a trade. So my friends, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss anything. As usual, my name is Nick, and I hope to see you all next time. Bye-bye.